I'm in the soap kitchen today. It's been a while. Gardening has just been very overwhelming, and of course my job as a realtor is very busy this time of year. But today I am making some more of my Wisconsin Waters cold processed soap. So I'm gonna get things put together here. I'll show you the ingredients that go in that, and we'll get to make some soap. So here's everything we're gonna use for our Wisconsin Waters cold processed soap. I'm using coconut oil, shea butter, olive oil, castor oil. I'm using distilled water in my lye solution with my sodium hydroxide, a little bit of sodium lactate. I add kale and clay to my melted oils. My fragrance oil is a combination of Morning Raindrops and Laundry Day from Midwest Fragrance Company. I have my colors ready. I'm using white mica and a couple different blues. I have my recipe that I've run through soap calc, my shield, my mold, my device that I'm using for a hanger swirl design, my heat thermometer, my gloves, my batter bowl, my cordless immersion blender, some various utensils. Let's get everything all pulled together and we'll come back and make some soap. Okay, we are ready to go. Gloves on, long sleeves, got my shield on. So in the bowl here we have our oils and butters, olive oil, castor oil, coconut oil, shea butter, my lye solution, sodium hydroxide, and water. And we're ready to make some soap. So it's all done. I gave it a little spritz of alcohol, and now I put my cover on top and my insulated tablecloth. And I let it sit here for at least 24 hours. And tomorrow we'll come back and cut. And those of you who have watched me make soap before know that I don't do my dishes right away. I wipe everything out good and I leave it sit in the sink for about 24 hours until everything has turned to soap, and then it's safe for my drains and my septic. We are back. It's been about 24 hours and here's our Wisconsin Waters cold processed soap. So let's unmold it and give it a cut. Well, I'm very happy with the way this turned out. Again, this was a hanger swirl technique. 3 colors. Okay, let's give it a stamp.